celebrated on 16th September every year. The motto behind for its observation is to celebrate the ozone day. But the spreading of awareness among the people is about ozone layer's depletion and to know about the ozone layer. That's why we have celebrated ozone day on 16th September.
Hello friends, I am Earth. Hello friends, I am sunlight.
Ha ha ha! Hello friends, I am UV, the ultraviolet rays. I am harmful to the earth.
Hello friends, my name is Ozone. I will protect Earth from the UV.
Ha ha ha! Now I will enter the earth. Oh God, I can't enter the earth.
I can enter the
Ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
We will dissolve the earth. We will pollute the earth. Ha ha ha! We will dissolve the earth. We will pollute the earth. Ha ha ha! We will dissolve the earth. We will pollute the earth. Now I can enter the earth. I will destroy the earth. I will pollute the earth. The earth will be finished.
There is no one to protect me.
We will protect our Earth.
Don't use plastic bags.
Grow plants, not
Grow
cut trees.
Throw garbage in the dustbin.
Thank you. Come on.
Thank you for the conference. So our motto is to save Earth, save ozone, and save trees, and save our life. Earth without ozone is like a house without a roof. So we will protect our Earth from various harmful gases. Thank you.